1, 2, 3. What's up, creators? Ella Set from ksound.com. In this video, we're going to focus a little bit deeper in the beat that I made from that 5-minute beat video that I did. It's time. So now that I don't have time limitation, I can go a little bit deeper, right? So we're gonna go ahead and fix this bass line because, first of all, let's run it from the top and see what it sounds like. So I'm using the bass master for my bass, my tie for my synths, and then I have the synths actually doubled with the analog dreams from Native Instruments inside of Contact. Right, so I want to focus on this bass here. Let's quantize that. Seems like this is so back in Contact, I will go and duplicate this and then change the channel to 3 because I want to add some vocals to it, right? So let's add that to this here. I'm gonna go ahead and label this so I know exactly what's going on. Probably will help to change the colors. I don't know, make it pretty. All right, so let's see. If I go to maybe 1 shots and see what we get. So I'm gonna use this to create a melody. So I'm gonna play it and try to get an idea. Pick another voice. There we go. I like that. Now, the reason why I'm experiencing these delays or this latency issue is because I have my camera and things plugged in. So let's see. So I'm just kind of dealing with it. So I'm just step sequencing this in. As far as my tie here, kind of want it a little bit open. All right, so I think from here, I want to delete that. Let's work on the bass a little bit more. my kick. I think I want to change that kick to I don't know, something a little bit more punchy. Huh. For my drums, I do want more of a epic sound, or more of a thicker sound. So I'm gonna go for action strikes. So I'm gonna come here and duplicate one of these tracks. So basically, these are my MIDI tracks that's associated with Contact. And I can duplicate as many as I want, but change the channel, because each time you add something new, I like that. Let's go with that. All right, I did that all wrong. I don't know where my head was. Come on, get your head in the game, Ella. What you doing? Okay, here we go. So I gotta push it back here. Okay. All right, so I think what I'm going to do here is actually bounce this in place. Let's put some effects on it the way that I want to. So I'm gonna come here and let's go for transient. Transient master. Let's go for the preset punch. All right, so what I want to do here is actually chop that. Let's bring the input. Actually, that's kind of how I want to do that. So now we can duplicate that. Let's see what that sounds like. All right, so now that we add that in there, right? So let's add EQ in here. Let's put a low cut on it. Something like that. I kind of want this off to the side a little bit. Like more so center. Oh, not center, but to the side. Something like that. Yeah. Something like that. Alright, so now I want to focus on the synths and make those a little bit stronger. So I'm thinking contact. And we're only going to duplicate this and go to track 4, I believe, or channel 5. My bad, because I already have a channel, and I'm gonna just move it up. So you can move these things anywhere you want. All right, so I'm gonna go, I don't know, string ensemble, cellos. Let's see what these sound like. Let's go to the bottom here. So if I do that, let's see what it sounds like. I think sustain sounds decent enough. Let's just go in here and bring it up, goes down just a tad bit. Definitely want to make it tighter. It's not tight enough. It's too much reverb on it. Yeah, something like that. Right, so that's pretty much a start as to the direction of where I'm going with this track. I will work on it some more, go a little bit deeper. I didn't want the video to be super long. I do have courses available online at ku.creative.com, or the link is in the description or in the card above. More than likely, I will have this track available on SoundCloud or something like that, or on the website. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ellip from ksound.com, signing off. Remember, music is art. You're the artist. Paint your picture. Stay creative without rules.
Enroll right now and unleash the creativity that lies within you. ku.creative.com. Creative University. Stay creative without rules. One more thing. If this voice intrigue you and the music make your soul move, my name is Ellen. Thank you.
I'm done.